How can I manage my browsing history on my Hisense Smart TV?
Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on managing your browsing history on your Hisense Smart TV. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing the methods and procedures that you can use to view, manage, and clear your browsing history.
What is the browsing history?
Your browsing history on a Hisense Smart TV consists of a record of all websites that you have visited using the TV's built-in web browser. This can be useful for quickly navigating back to sites you've previously visited. However, there may be times when you want to clear this history or manage which sites appear in it.
How to access the browsing history?
Now, let's dive into the first step, accessing the browsing history on your Hisense Smart TV. 1. Press the Home button on your Hisense Smart TV remote. 2. Navigate to the web browser app. 3. Once the web browser is opened, navigate to Settings, typically represented by a gear or 3 horizontal lines icon. 4. In the Settings, look for an option labeled Browsing History.
How to manage and delete browsing history?
After accessing the browsing history, now you can manage and delete the history. 1. Under the Browsing History section, you'll see a list of all websites you have visited. 2. To delete a specific site, navigate to it using the arrow keys on your remote and select Delete or Remove from the options. 3. If you want to clear all your browsing history, find and select the Clear All or Delete All Browsing Data option. Confirm your choice when prompted.
How to manage browsing history settings?
For better management, you can change the settings about how the browsing history is recorded. 1. Still under the web browser settings, find and select Privacy or similar settings. 2. You can adjust options like Do Not Track or Record Browsing History based on your preference. That concludes our guide on managing your browsing history on your Hisense Smart TV. Now you can navigate, manage, and clear your browsing history with ease, ensuring a more personalized and secure browsing experience. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and enjoy your time with your Hisense Smart TV.